Yeah, so I just had a question. Why are you bringing the horse out under the tree?
Well, I wanted to get this dirt cleaned out without messing up the floor.
Oh, I see. Oh, okay.
You got it?
Yeah.
I mean, are we talking?
Yes.
This horse stood barefoot all night while we regrouped for me to get those patterns traced. And you can see where some of the, just in the stall overnight, how he's actually chipped some portions of his foot.
Okay.
So, to clean a horse's foot, you simply use your inside arm to let him know that you're coming. And then I'll put my shoulder against him. And if he were going to kick, I'd feel it at my shoulder. I could feel his discomfort and his motion before that foot ever moved. People sometimes don't realize when they go to pick up a horse's foot, they can reach over and touch it without sliding a hand and letting the horse know that you're coming. Sometimes it's just really a surprise to them, and it'll startle them. So as I go from one foot to the other, simply getting rid of this mud, muck, and manure. Here's another place that just, we mentioned it yesterday when we were shaping shoes. We've got a separation. The shoe will cover it, won't be a problem. We decided we should clean it up and expose it to air before we even drive our nails and finish the shoe in. Biggest reason we stopped last evening to pick a better time for this thing. We had other business to take care of. And it's interesting, when you trim a horse, prepare his feet for shoeing, and then just watch him for 24 hours or overnight. You want to know if there's any filling or swelling shows up in his ankles. Oftentimes at a racetrack where a horse is trying to run, and when he's shod, he's in an aluminum shoe which has no flexibility. Aluminum shoes are the most difficult task. People like them on their fast horses because they're lightweight, think they'll make them run faster. But a horse can actually run faster with a healthier hoof than a foot that is being flexible. So, a part of the industry has glue-on shoes with a polyester blend and a spring core. They try to advertise them as flexible, but if you're gluing on a poly shoe, there's a real good chance you don't have the flexibility because the glue will come loose. Some of the flexible shoes, some of the poly shoes are better if they have a lot of tabs, but whenever you put a pad underneath a horse's horseshoe, you've created an unnatural environment, and it's a bacteria environment. You don't have the side-to-side flexing, which will give you a cuppy sole and rawhide toughness. You're not allowing that foot to breathe and see the air. So the industry has yet to sell a manufactured shoe that has weight on the outside edge, the springiness, and the bottom of that foot opens so that it can breathe, self-cleaning. Before I abandon this industry, I want to have the best horseshoe in the world for these horses. And I've been trying to get this elastic flexible shoe developed for over 30 years. Now I'm an old man And maybe some people say, well, Bergie, he was talking like that in 1996. He's crazy. He's been talking elastic shoes for 30 years, and where is it? Well, now we're heading into a part of the materials world where we actually have space-age materials that can accomplish everything we want that foot to be and do. When I'm putting aluminum shoes and steel shoes, I can modify the steel shoes, get some comfort, elasticity, better blood flow. I've yet to figure out how to modify the aluminum shoe that I could help with blood supply. But now that we're getting to space-age materials, we are going to have better materials, and before long we're going to have healthy horseshoes.